ngayon yung ating replay ng unang karera.
Racing as they settled, we have taken break quickly at the start, moving upon the young side, wins connection. King Sag is down on the inside, high packet, then followed over by Diamond Luster. Mulligan comes next, while Reality Show is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have taken, moving up in the middle comes Diamond Luster. Next on line is wins connection, high packet, running alongside Mulligan, King Sag, while Reality Show is still in behind them. And heading for the backstretch, we have Diamond Luster by a link anyhow. Moving upon the outside, now is Mulligan to take second. In between horses comes Wins Connection, high packet, then followed over by Take 10, King Sag, while Reality Show is still in behind them. And at a part turn, the complexion of the race now has been changed. We have Mulligan moves up on the inside, then followed over by Diamond Luster. Wins Connection moving upon the outside, high packet with about last 400 meters. We have Mulligan, Wins Connection, high packet is on the outside as they swing for home. We have Mulligan, Viral Link, anyhow. Wins Connection is down on the inside, high packet is on the outside, third with about 100 meters of the race. And it's still Mulligan followed by Wins Connection, and nearing the finish line, the program opener belongs to Mulligan. Second Wins Connection, high packet, Take 10, King Sag, Diamond Luster, and Reality.